This is my lovely wife going to feed my golden child female. Come on, Stasi. За leđa. Be careful. She's really close. Well done. What are you waiting for?
No. No, I won't.
I don't understand, please speak in English.
No.
Where is my baby son?
Here.
This is his first feeding as well. Okay, I'll take them later out. So, this is my lovely Rihanna. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.